Hello, good people. Welcome back to Global Happenings. Today, we're so excited to have you again. The governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, has come up again with a defense for his principal, President Muhammadu Buhari, over the issue of abandoning the Ndibos. And he has made his points fully clear that President Muhammadu Buhari did not actually put aside the Southeasterners. We're going to be looking at that in a jiffy and also talk on the effect of sit at home. As at yesterday in a Bonny state, these guys were still up against those who abort or refuses to obey sit at home in a Bonny state. Most people believe that this issue of sit at home has been forgotten about, and there are no forces again ensuring that people obey it. But shockingly, we have a news, and you're going to hear the impact of the activities of these UGM who are enforcing sit at home in a particular community in Ebony State. But before we give you full details of this news, we'd like to encourage you to please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button and also on the bell icon. So anytime we publish our video, you'll be the first to get it. Now, according to the news, the governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, has stated that it will be unfair to say that President Muhammadu Buhari has abandoned Southeast region of the country. Uzodinma, who appeared on a program on Channels Television Monitored, disclosed that the second Niger bridge was enough proof to show that the president cares about the region. He said that Buhari was the only president who fulfilled the promise of building the bridge. It would be a thing of ingratitude for anybody to come from the region to talk about President Buhari's neglecting the whole Eastern Bloc. Government after government came, made promises and paid lip service to the promise. From 1979 to 1983, the Second Republic, we were promised the second Niger Bridge. From 1999 to 2007, we were promised the second Niger Bridge until 2015. President Muhammadu Buhari, as I speak to you, has spent over 360 billion naira. Only last week, I was watching television. I saw the Chief of Staff to the President, Minister of Works, Minister of Labor and Productivity, inspecting the joining of the bridge for commissioning within the next 3 months. When asked about zoning the presidential ticket to the Southeast in 2023, Hope said that the ticket is not an airline ticket, adding that it would be only be given to a candidate that is capable of winning the elections. That's really serious. Now, in another related development, report reaching the public shows that there was confusion on Monday in Equal local government area of Ebonyi State following the activities of UGM in the area. It was reported that the hoodlums besieged the affected communities as a village head named Withhell was allegedly killed by a stray bullet from the criminals. The victim was allegedly cut down by the stray bullet at Igoji Market, Babo community of Equal local government area of the state. Following the development, members of the communities, commuters, businessmen, and women, including teachers and students of different schools, were seen scampering for safety. The impact of the activities of the UGM was felt at the Alex Ekweme Federal University, Ndufo Alika, AE, Funai, Ebonyi State, as staff and students of the institution were reportedly seen strolling out of the university of fear of being attacked. The impact of the activities of these UGM was felt at the Alex Ekweme Federal University, Ebonyi State, as staff and students of the institution were reportedly seen strolling out of the university for fear of being attacked. A member of the community who spoke on condition of anonymity disclosed that the university community, which is known for beef of activities, was scanty of staff as some shops did not open for business on Tuesday. Students and staff of AE Fornice scamper for safety yesterday following the activities of this UGM in the area. Some day ago, security guard was brought down and burnt in the community. We are scared to go to work. We want to call on security agents to intervene in this matter to avoid further breakdown of law and order. It was gathered that the hoodlums had warned members of the community, staff of Funai, and other establishments in the area to stay at home on Mondays or face the consequences. Contacted the Bonny State Police Public Relations Officer DSP Lovett Oda said, "Let me contact the Police Divisional Officer DPO of Equal Local Government Area and get back to you," which means it was a way of trying to confirm if the police are in the know about what actually happened on Monday. This is quite a serious case. But first of all, let's look at what Uzodinma has to say about President Muhammadu Buhari not abandoning the people of Southeast. He made mention of a very lofty project that is currently ongoing, talking about the Niger Bridge, the second Niger Bridge. And according to him, he said not less than 360 billion naira has been spent on it. And the question is it enough reason to prove the love of the president, on the Southeast, enough to prove that he truly loves them and is working out something big for them? That I do not know. You're going to hear exactly what the people have to say. Now, someone here says, this for me, this is not reasonable for a governor to make this statement. Have you also recalled the impact of the military headed by Buhari, what they have done in our hometowns? Another person here says the only impact it will create for us will be to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That one alone will score him a huge mark. Another person here says Hope Uzodinma must say that for his principal. After all, who brought him into power? Was it not through the instrumentation of the presidency that he came on board? Another person here says serious issues like these does not demand children to talk about. Well, looking at what had happened, or looking at the way he's coming from, to some extent, I kind of believe what he's saying. But I think that what is most impactful when it comes to, sponsoring or not abandoning an area is your move towards improving the well-being of the human assets in a particular place. Yeah, building bridges, everybody's going to pass through it. It's great. I'm not doubting it. But then another of the most important thing is to ensure that you build human asset, place value on them. That will go a long way to prove how much you love them. And also in the other related news, I think the federal government needs to look out for these hoodlums who are behind this activity of, every month they sit at home disrupting activity in different communities that they find pleasant for them to operate from. I'd like to leave it there. Go to our comment section.